continuing body. Kaya
Okay. So, sa naging napansin natin sa mga kilos o aksyon ng mga senador dito sa may kinalaman sa impeachment trial, maraming mga pahayag ang mga batikang lawyers na hindi sang-ayon sa nagiging galaw tulad niya ng the senators which act as once they convene as a impeachment court, they are already acting like senator judge. So it is mandated by our constitution na once you are a judge for the impeachment trial, you must be politically neutral. So meaning, you are not to take sides. Okay? So you are not also to motion because you are the judge. It will be the part of the defendant and the prosecutor to have this motion. Okay? So many believe that these actions are unconstitutional. But some also think na they may be, like what our senators been doing in Malaysia. It may be questionable, no, because they're obvious to taking sides. But the way I understand with respect to how Senator Jerbel Roy Estro consider that as, since it is not, they are not at the impeachment court, something that's a gray hindi malinaw na parang bawal yung ginawa nila, but for sure it is bias being biased. But once they are to do that inside or acting as the impeachment judge, senator judge, you must not present or you should not show that you are biased already. You are to be neutral. You are not to tell that you are this one, you are that. So you are in favor of whichever. Okay, so kaya nakikita natin dito na maraming lawyer ng may share ko sa inyo ay yung pananaw ni batikang election lawyer si Makalintal na may sinabi siya. Hindi ko lang na i-attach dito, no. Maraming mga katulad ng sinabi ni incoming senator incoming 20th senator, no, 20th Congress, si previous or former Senate President Tito Soto, including former Senate President Drilon. They are expressing their ideas that they don't agree with what's going on in the Senate. And other than those, we observe expressing their concern. Okay?
yan ang isa sa mga issues na talagang dapat din na marisolba. Na kung talagang yan ay continuing, pwede tumawid, o hindi. Pinaka-make this decision ng Korte Suprema in 2018 sa Balag versus Senate, para sinasabi ng Korte Suprema, hindi na yan continuing. In the same way na ang Senado, hindi naman nila pwedeng orderan din ang Supreme Court na gawin ang isang bagay. Kaya medyo masalimutan konti itong kinalagyan ito kasi dalawang views yan na pwede bang tumawid o hindi pwedeng tumawid. May nagsasabing pwedeng tumawid, may nagsasabing hindi pwedeng tumawid. Kaya yan ang mga issues na siyempre depende rin sa Korte Suprema kung sila na ang magbibigay ng as being final arbiter.
Pero yung mismo, parang may general consensus na mukhang tatawid sa 20th Congress. Kaya naniniwala na pwede naman tumawid sa 20th Congress. At yun yung impeachment proper.
Sa akin, medyo alanganin dahil sa
Bakit?
yung kasi decision ng Korte Suprema noon, ng mga naunang decision, sinasabi ng Korte Suprema, continuing body ang Senado. Pero yung pinaka-latest decision ng Korte Suprema in 2018 sa Balag versus Senate, para sinasabi ng Korte Suprema, hindi na yung continuing body. Kasi kung yan ay continuing body,
CBD, oh.
bakit merong panuntunan ang Senate rules na lahat ng mga pending matters and proceedings shall be deemed terminated upon the end of one Congress? So kung yan ay continuing body, bakit may ganyan sa sariling rules na ginawa na panibagong rules ang Senado?
Okay, ang sabi ng ibang mga lawyers, when it comes to legislative powers, the Senate is not continuing. But when the Senate is acting
Kaya yan ang
like during the impeachment, the Senate is a continuing body, just like the procedure in the court. Okay? So, as the lawyer said, some lawyers said that it is very clear that the Senate acting as an impeachment body is continuing. The Senate is not continuing with respect to their legislative powers, yung gagawa sila ng mga batas. Pero kung ito maglilitis sa impeachment, sila ay continuing. Malinaw daw yan sa konstitusyon.
Sa amin pong constituents ninyo, na kami nga pinag-aaralan namin yung impeachment issue eh. Hindi naman kami yung senator judges eh. Mano man lang bang kayong nakaupo dyan, wag naman pong tanga o bobo yung galawan. Pag-aralan mabuti. Iba, I honestly believe hindi tanga at saka hindi bobo.
Okay, katulad nitong sinabi ni Christian Isguera, siya yung host ng podcast host ng Fox First. Ito yung ganito ang mga nagiging emotional comment niya tungkol sa mga nangyayari sa Senate hearing with respect to the impeachment.
And honestly, sa kanilang ginagawa, nabababoy yung institusyon ng Senado, sa totoo lang. Pero syempre, ibabalik na naman yung tanong, binoto nyo kasi, bakit nyo kasi binoto? Alam niyo, maraming dahilan kung bakit naluklok yung mga ganyang klaseng senador dyan sa ganyang posisyon. Kahit obviously, napaka-incompetent nila. Incompetent, huwag na po natin issue.
Tulad ng mga binitawan ni
Ang problema, incompetent na.
Christian Isguera, ganun katindi at maraming mga tao pa na
hindi sila
parehong sa loobin.
kumakampi.
Ito lang si Christian na meron kasi siyang podcast, kaya na-air niya at
Competent ka na.
na-share ko sa inyo.
Hindi ka pa tumitindig doon sa tama eh. Ano ba naman pagdulungan mo lang yung proseso? Diba? Nakaka-frustrate talaga. Ayan. Kaya